Varanasi, one of the oldest living cities in the world. Situated on the banks of river Ganga, it is a major cultural and spiritual hub in India, which is known for its ghats, ancient temples, and its vibrant street life. Hindus believe that one who is graced to die on the land of Varanasi would attain salvation and freedom from the cycle of birth and rebirth. We visited Banaras in the month of February, and it was a few months before I started YouTube. And we had come to Banaras from Lucknow with our car. So we had already reached here at around 4 p.m. in the evening, but there was so much of rush of the people going to the Shashwamedh Ghat for the Ganga Aarti that it took us almost 3 hours just in the traffic and to find the parking. So, making our way through the crowd, we tried our best to make it to the Dashashwamedh Ghat to catch a glimpse of the Aarti. But we had no luck. By the time we reached there, the Aarti was already over and people were returning back. So in Banaras, there are a total of 84 ghats, and if you want to see all these ghats in less time, then a boat ride along these ghats is the best option. So although we missed the Ganga Aarti, we decided to do a boat ride and see all these ghats. Although it was quite dark, some ghats had good lighting and were visible, while some had just a bulb or two glowing. But still, you could make out the ghat. On the ride, apart from the Dashashwamedh Ghat, which is the most famous ghat, we also saw the Mandikarnika Ghat, where even at late hour there were cremation rituals going on. After about an hour or so, the boat ride came to an end, and we decided to go back to where we had booked our stay and call the day off. Next day in the morning, we did not go to see the Aarti, the Ganga Aarti. Instead, we decided to catch up on our sleep because we were really very tired from the previous day. So, at around quarter to 7, we freshened up and went back to the Dashashwamedh Ghat to do another boat ride to enjoy the beautiful sunrise that was happening. So, for this boat ride, we booked the whole boat all to ourselves. Unlike the last night, it was a sharing one. When visiting Banaras, a boat ride during the day is a must. In the morning, you get to see all the ghats, colorful, beautiful, and so ancient structure.
शक्ती तुझलान तुझ चरणी माता तूच माझा पितान तूच माझी माता तुझ्या चरणी लीन व्हावे हे आदि देवा परब्रह्म तूच तुझ एक सूरखा शंभु शंकरारी तुझ पायी यावे डोळे भरून पाहता जिणे साधवावे शंभु शंकरारी तुझ पायी यावे डोळे भरून पाहता
There is just no comparison between the boat ride at night and morning. Both had its own vibe and bliss. Although the morning boat ride was a bit longer comparing the night ride. After enjoying boat ride, we headed to the Kashi Vishwanath temple. So the Kashi Vishwanath temple is one of the 12 Jyotirlingas representing the divine manifestation of Lord Shiva. This temple is also on the Dashashwamedh Ghat. The most fascinating thing about this temple is that the dome of the temple is fully gold plated. But sadly, due to some security reasons, mobile phone and cameras are not allowed inside the temple. So because of that, I could not record anything inside the temple. So after seeking blessings at the temple, we decided to explore the market, the streets of Banaras. So by the time we reached here at the market area, it was already afternoon. So we did a little bit of shopping in the shops around, and after exploring most of the area, we decided to stop for lunch.
आप आए हो बनारस की गलियों में, खाओ गली ढूंढ रहे हैं, मारे मारे भटक रहे हैं और पैर अपने टंगवा रहे हैं, फिर भी चले जा रहे हैं पेट के लिए। बनारस की छोटी छोटी गलियों में।
After lunch, we went back to our stay and rested till evening, and then later checked out and left to go back to Lucknow. And with that, a short, unplanned family trip to Banaras came to an end with loads of memories. So, with that, I'm also ending this vlog. I hope you all like this video. If you did, do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And thanks for watching. See you all in the next video. Until then, take care.
भूर्भुवः स्वः